Namaskar, good evening. You're watching Nation Wants to Know and I am Swati Joshi. The Modi government has launched a major diplomatic offensive to expose Pakistan-sponsored terror globally, and starting next week, the government of India will send multiple all-party parliamentary delegations to different countries across the globe to spread awareness about Operation Sindoor and India's fight against Pakistan-backed and sponsored terrorism. The panel includes members from across the political spectrum, leaders of the Congress, Shiv Sena, UBT, Sharad Pawar's NCP, DMK, and even AIMIM are included in this panel. The objective of the Modi government is very clear. It is to launch an all-out war against terror and use the full power of India's might to expose those who are perpetrating and sponsoring cross-border terror. But viewers, while this is happening on one hand, on the other, you have an ecosystem that has been making unsolicited comments on Operation Sindoor only to target the Modi government. Don't get me wrong, it is the job of the opposition to question the centre, but it is when they cross the line that one begins to wonder, are they really compromising India's war against terror? Today, a Congress leader had the audacity to say that India only sent jets across the border for show off. That's the word he used. For the precision strikes that our forces carried out. He believes that India sent 3-4 jets and all they did was fly across the border and back, completely discounting the role of our forces who put their lives on the line in India's battle against terror. Hear it to believe it.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬೂಟಾಟಿಕೆಗೆ 4 ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿಹಾರನ ಇದು 28 ಜನ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯರಿಗೆ ಗಂಡಸರು ಸತ್ರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಕೊಡೋದು ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಇದೇನೇ ನೀವು ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಇದೇನಾ ನೀವು ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡೋದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟಿ ವಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ತೋರಿಸೋದೊಂದಾದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ತೋರಿಸೋದೊಂದು ಅವ್ರು ತೋರಿಸೋದು ಇವರೊಂದು ಇವ್ರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದವ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ನಂಬೋದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಿಡೋದು ಯಾರು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಷನ್ ಯಾರು ಸತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಏನು.
Now remember, this comment comes on the back of multiple such statements from leaders in the opposition. The Prime Minister visited the same Adampur airbase that Pakistan claims was attacked. It was a resounding message to the world. But for some in the opposition, this was only an attempt to gain political mileage ahead of the polls. For Samajwadi Party chief, the Prime Minister is a Chitrajeevi. Are such comments not undermining the valor and pride of our country?
ये जो चूक पर जो इनकी चूक हुई है उस पर चूना लेप करके बचने की जो कोशिश कर रहे हैं, जनता जागरूक है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग बचने वाले नहीं हैं। चित्रजीवियों को कम से कम ये स्वीकार करना चाहिए जो फौज के लिए उनके लिए इस्तेमाल के लिए है वो सेल्फी पॉइंट नहीं हो सकता है।
योगिता सिंह हरियाणा की जाकर और एयर मार्शल भारती पूर्णिया के यादव हैं, तो तीनों तो पीडीए के थे।
अगर पाकिस्तान ने भारत के सामने हाथ जोड़े तो फिर सामने आके कोई समझौता क्यों नहीं हुआ? क्यों पाकिस्तान दुनिया के सामने आके नहीं बोलता, किसी कागज पे साइन नहीं करता, दुनिया के मीडिया के सामने आके नहीं बोलता कि हमने भारत के सामने हार मानी और हमने भारत के सामने हाथ जोड़े?
Our army operators have said that they have targeted the specific zones of terrorist camps. Good, welcome. But none of the terrorists could be found there. None of the terrorists could be apprehended. None of their bodies could be really recovered.
So some in the opposition believe we sent 3-4 jets just for show off. They flew across the border and came back, and others believe, none of the bodies of the terrorists were really recovered. And then there are those who are asking for saboot ki hame saboot dijiye, hua kya? This is the question that we are asking. We'll fire that question here on the big screen and tell us what do you think about the issue. Tell us about what the ecosystem is doing is right or wrong. Ecosystem, is it weakening the war on terror? You can register your vote, have your say, and cast your vote at Times Now on social media platform X, and I will reveal the results of the poll right after the debate. So let's open up the debate. Let's go across to our guests today. We're joined by Siddharth Yadav, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. We have Mr. Manish Bariyar, political analyst. We're also joined by Advocate Kapil Madan. He's a political analyst. We have Kapil Srivastava, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, and Piyush Joshi, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Let me first bring in Mr. Madan. Mr. Madan, when will the Saboot gang stop casting aspersion? When will they stop demanding Saboot? Were the joint briefings not enough that were in fact laden with the proofs of how the installations looked like before the Pakistani military air base and how it looked like after precision strikes were carried out? Is that not enough? What our armed forces are telling us every single day about how India has retaliated hit back? Are we still under some sort of illusion that the jets only flew across the border and came back, which, by the way, never happened? We were able to carry out the strikes from well within our territory. Is this not shameful?
Swati, let me just say one thing here. I think there is one contradiction in your opening narrative wherein you're trying to confuse two important and two distinct issues. And those two distinct issues are, you are trying to portray if someone is questioning the government, that would mean that person is questioning the army. I'm sorry, no, that's not the situation. In fact, I have heard some of the statement made by the leaders, and in fact, what Atishi ji of Aam Aadmi Party has said. If there was a ceasefire, and in fact, if it was being proposed by Pakistan, in fact, they came and they sort of surrendered with us. Why did we accept it without there being any, condition imposed by India? So that's the question number one. And which I think any sane person, any rational person, would want to know this. Second question is that if that was being, happening between India and Pakistan, why would Mr. Trump, who is the president of the United States, would announce ceasefire without, either India or Pakistan announcement, was being made from them? It didn't happen. The third issue which begs the question is that why would Mr. Trump would bring the issue of trade in this, ceasefire? There are all these issues, and I think, rather than, putting the issue at rest, people are more curious to find out. And, अब question किससे पूछोगे आप? आप सरकार से ही तो पूछोगे कि आप ऑपोजिशन से पूछोगे कि सीजफायर कैसे हो गया, सीजफायर अनकंडीशनल क्यों हुआ, पाकिस्तान क्यों नहीं झुका, पाकिस्तान ने माफी क्यों नहीं मांगी, पाकिस्तान ने अंडरटेकिंग क्यों नहीं दी? तो ये सवाल से पूछा जाएगा, ऑपोजिशन से पूछा जाएगा नहीं, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स से पूछा जाएगा नहीं, ही तो सरकार से ये सवाल पूछे जाएंगे. और my second point is that this has been the trend of the government, that anyone who questions the government, he becomes anti-national. If you are, questioning, if you're raising any issue, of course, you are. See, the idea is that it is an, admitted, and it's a visible thing for everyone to observe that these terrorists came in our territory once, did that dastardly act, and escaped from. Can you deny this fact? We are all with our, armed forces, and we are all with the government. We are all supporting the fact that the government did strike, and we have hit them very hard, and they lost arms, ammunitions, and those terror targets. No one is disputing it. But that does not mean that the government will not be asked questions where, their accountability lies.
Now, Mr. Madan, I heard you very patiently. There was no confusion in my opening remark or my narrative. I made it absolutely clear about the statements from netas who are demanding proof. Now, when you say that the jets went across the border just for show off, one, it's factually wrong. The jets never crossed the border. Two, it's not the Prime Minister who's flying in those jets, है ना? सरकार के लोग जेट्स में बैठ करके नहीं जा रहे. So when you are saying कि जेट्स को सिर्फ शो ऑफ के लिए बॉर्डर से यहां से वहां ले गए और वापस आ गए और कुछ नहीं हुआ, you are clearly questioning Operation Sindoor. When you are saying कि टेररिस्ट को मार दिया, उधर डेड बॉडी तो कुछ रिकवर हुआ नहीं, you are again questioning the precision strikes that were carried out. And nowhere in my opening remark did I ever say that nobody can question the government and that it is anti-national to question the government. So do not try to create a confusion, because I was absolutely clear. There is perhaps some confusion doing the rounds in the opposition camp Mr. Madan, because you have leaders like Mr. P. Chidambaram and Shashi Tharoor who are very appreciative of what has happened. The government, look, is forming this diplomatic delegation, Mr. Madan, that has MPs from across political party lines who are going to go to countries to expose Pakistan. So there's no confusion in my mind. Now respond to the kind of statements that are coming in demanding sabut.
Now, so Swati, I couldn't hear you properly, but there was some problem in the voice, but let me just respond to what I could catch what you were trying to say. When you played that, statement made by one of the leader from Karnataka, that was in, not in Hindi, not in English. Okay. So I personally, let me just say this, I personally don't know what has been said. I personally don't know. I could not make out whether that was an entire video, what was the context of which, that statement was made, what was he, trying to say. I would like to reserve my comment in so far as that is concerned. But having said that, would like to reiterate that everyone in the country, including the opposition leaders, supported the stand taken by the
Then
government.
The opposition leader should have reprimanded the netas. They should have reprimanded the netas who are crossing the line. If I am not wrong, the Congress party did issue an advisory, but nobody, including the Congress president, ever followed that advisory. Now let me bring in Siddharth Yadav. Siddharth Yadav, I'm just hoping that you heard me. Because when I was making my point, Kapil Madan was not able to hear me. So if you heard me, Siddharth Yadav, the opposition has one second now, Mr. Madan. The opposition has the right to question the government. Why is the opposition being tagged anti-national? Although I am not saying that.
I think a very clear distinction has to be drawn. Nobody would tag you anti-national if you ask the government. But I'll quote the question. Your viewers and all panelists can very carefully understand, are these questions for the government or are these questions for the Sena? Before the war, we saw that if Pakistan has said something, we should believe them. This was Saifuddin Soz, the Congress leader, former member of parliament, and the president of Jammu and Kashmir. Siddharamaiah, chief minister, was saying that we do not want war. Was this for the government? Was this a question to the government? When we do a surgical strike, when we do a aerial strike, you ask, kahan hai sabut, kahan gira? Army is coming and doing the press conference. Our Desh ki Sena is coming and saying that these are the casualties that we have inflicted on the enemy. This is the attack that we have done. And Congress party and Aam Aadmi party, all such parties are busy asking, ped gire the ki patthar gire the ki patte gire the. Now Congress MLA from Karnataka is categorically speaking, but my friend Kapil Madan cannot understand what he is saying because he understands English or Hindi. It's widely reported. Go and read it. He is saying that our jets went there, they came back, nothing happened. Is this questioning the government? If you think this is questioning the government, I'm very sorry. You are wrong. Our army, our Sena, our DGMO, everybody came out. They are making statements, but you wish to believe whatever Pakistan's narrative is there, and that is the problem with the Congress party. And now this is the new normal for the Congress party and the entire opposition. This has become a new normal in the past 10 years. You would question anything and everything that our country and our army says, but you have no questions on what a different prime minister, a different president, a leader of a different nation has to say. Our DGMO will say that these conversations happened, but you are fixated until that president had to revoke his statement. But you are fixated to
Absolutely.
ask, no, he has said it, and so we will believe that president. We will not believe the DGMO. We will not believe the Sena of this country. If this is the new normal for the Congress party, taking instructions from their foreign secular friends who back the radical forces in the world, if you are taking such instructions and you are standing as a fifth column in this country, you are standing as another front which India has to fight. I must say it's a very sorry state of affairs.
Okay, I want to bring in Kapish Srivastava as well. Kapish Srivastava, प्रधानमंत्री आदमपुर बेस जाते हैं, रक्षा मंत्री जो है वो श्रीनगर एयरबेस जाते हैं, आज वो भुज एयरबेस में थे, जो कि पाकिस्तान क्लेम कर रहा है कि हमने वहां अपनी मिसाइल डाल करके बर्बाद कर दिया. एक बहुत बड़ा मैसेज प्रधानमंत्री देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि यहां कुछ नहीं हुआ है, हमारे रनवेज फंक्शनल हैं, हमारे ऑपरेशंस बिल्कुल नॉर्मल हैं, जबकि हमने उनके इंस्टॉलेशंस को बर्बाद किया है. तो वो चित्रजीवी बन जाते हैं. क्या यह बिना किसी मतलब का क्रिटिसिज्म नहीं है?
स्वाति जी, सबसे पहले तो आप ये बताइए, पाकिस्तान के इन क्वेश्चंस, बेहुदे क्वेश्चंस के जवाब के लिए हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जाते हैं?
अच्छा,
हमारी सेनाओं के शौर्य के लिए और पराक्रम और उनको वाहवाही करने के लिए नहीं जाती। आपका कहना तो ही। और अगर आप पाकिस्तान की इतनी बात मानते हैं तो पाकिस्तान तो कह रहा है कि साहब हम नहीं झुके हैं, ये झुके हैं। वो तो कहा कि हमने सीज फायर का उल्लंघन
तो आप
किया।
किसको मान रहे हैं? आप किसको मान रहे हैं? पाकिस्तान जो कह रहा है उसको मान रहे हैं, या प्रधानमंत्री जाकर के जो दिखा रहे हैं आदमपुर एयरबेस में कि कोई नुकसान नहीं हुआ उसको मान रहे हैं?
ना, सुनिए, मैं बिल्कुल पाकिस्तान को नहीं मानता।
हाँ।
लेकिन आपने अभी कहा कि पाकिस्तान ने कहा इसलिए,
क्योंकि उस फर्जीवाड़े को एक्सपोज करना जरूरी है सर। उस फर्जीवाड़े को एक्सपोज करना जरूरी है। एक नैरेटिव पाकिस्तान की तरफ से चला रहा है। कपिल जी सुनिए, दो फ्रंट्स पे, दो नहीं, इनफैक्ट मल्टीपल फ्रंट्स पे ये जंग चल रही है। एक तो हमने प्रिसिशन स्ट्राइक करके जवाब दे दिया, दूसरा एक इंफॉर्मेशन वॉर भी चल रही है। कपिल जी, आप जानते हैं कि क्या फर्जीवाड़ा सोशल मीडिया पर हो रहा है, उसका जवाब नहीं देना चाहिए क्या?
मुझे बताइए ना स्वाति, मेन मीडिया पे भी तो हो रहा है। आखिर मीडिया वालों ने, तमाम मीडिया के जो नेशनल चैनल्स हैं उन्होंने माफी मांगी कि नहीं? वो तो इस्लामाबाद पे कब्जा करा दिए थे, कराची पर कब्जा करा दिए थे। आपको मालूम है कि एक इंडियन मुस्लिम्स को ही आतंकवादी बता दिया गया था जो क्रॉस फायरिंग में मारा गया था। शर्म नहीं आती है मीडिया को?
नहीं, एक मिनट। और वो लोग जो पाकिस्तान की वकालत कर रहे हैं आज भी कह रहे हैं कि देखिए डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने पहले अनाउंसमेंट कर दिया था। वही डोनाल्ड ट्रंप अपने स्टेटमेंट पे वापस चले जाते हैं। पहले कहते हैं कि मैंने सीज फायर करवा दिया, फिर कहा कि नहीं मैंने हेल्प किया। वो ट्रेड के लिए कहते हैं कि हमने ट्रेड का मुद्दा उठाया, सीज फायर हो गया। आपका एमईए आपसे कह रहा है कि ट्रेड की बातचीत ऐसे मौकों पर नहीं होती है और ना कभी बातचीत में ट्रेड उठा। आप उनको क्यों नहीं मान रहे हैं?
स्वाति, मैं सबसे पहली बात एक बात कह रहा हूं, अमेरिका पलट जाने के बाद भी तो कह रहा है कि हमने मध्यस्थता किया। अगर
मध्यस्थता नहीं, हमने हेल्प किया है, हमने मीडिएट किया है, नहीं कहा उन्होंने कहा आई विल नॉट से दैट आई डिड इट, बट आई श्योर एज हेल हेल्प। मतलब अलग हो जाता है कपीश जी।
साथी, आप विपक्ष को बोलने नहीं देना चाहती हैं, आप सुनना नहीं चाहती हैं।
आप ही तो बोल रहे हैं।
स्पष्ट रूप से
आपसे पहले कपिल मदान जी बोल रहे थे।
माना गया ना कि अमेरिका ने हेल्प की है, तो मध्यस्थता और क्या होता है?
नहीं, एक मिनट, एक ये होता है कि आप दोनों देशों से संपर्क में हैं। एक ये होता है कि आप दोनों देशों से संपर्क में और आप कह रहे हैं कि आपस में बातचीत कीजिए, मसले को सुलझा दीजिए। लेकिन अमेरिका ने फोन करके आपसे ये नहीं कहा कि हम सीज फायर रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं। वो डीजीएमओ ने किया पाकिस्तान के।
अच्छा, डीजीएमओ अगर कह देगा तो आप रोक लेंगे?
उन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट की और आपके आर्मी के, एक सेकेंड, आपके आर्म्ड फोर्सेस के डीजीएमओ ने रिक्वेस्ट को अग्रीमेंट नहीं, अंडरस्टैंडिंग बताया, क्योंकि ये एक जंग पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ नहीं सर, टेररिज्म के खिलाफ थी।
स्वाति प्लीज विपक्ष को ना पढ़ाइए, और आप भी खूब अच्छे से जान रही हैं।
क्या जान रही हैं?
डीजीएमओ लेवल पे कोई भी फैसले नहीं लिए जाते हैं, ये हमेशा प्रधानमंत्री लेवल पे फैसले सरकार लेती है। और आप कह रही हैं, और मैं दूसरी बात ये बताइए, अमेरिका जो खुलेआम आपके कहने से पहले वो कह रहा है कि हमने भारत और पाकिस्तान में सीज फायर करा दिया है, ये मध्यस्थता नहीं है।
तो उन्होंने उसके बाद जो कहा हमने हेल्प किया, क्या आप डोनाल्ड ट्रंप के स्टेटमेंट्स पर विश्वास कर सकते हैं कपीश जी, जो बार बार पलट रहे हैं अपनी बात से?
मोदी जी ने, सुन लीजिए, नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने 2 जगह भारत की संप्रभुता को बुरी तरीके से खोया। एक तो पाकिस्तान की आईएसआई एजेंसी को बुला के पठानकोट एयरवेज पे उन्होंने जांच कराई, भारतीय एजेंसीज के अलावा आप दूसरे से करा ही नहीं सकते थे। और वही पाकिस्तान ने मना कर दिया जब भारत ने उनके यहां जांच की मांग की, कहा कि हम सॉवरेन राष्ट्र हैं। आपको उस समय भी मुंह की खानी पड़ी। और आज अमेरिका कहता है कि हमने ट्रेड की धमकी दे करके ये मध्यस्थता कराई। और अब जब उसके ऊपर प्रेशर पड़ रहा है तो वो बात को सुधारने की कोशिश आपके
एक मिनट, प्रेशर कौन डाल रहा है? कौन प्रेशर डाल रहा है? नहीं, प्रेशर कौन डाल रहा है?
भारत डाल रहा है, अन्य और देशों से डाला जा रहा है।
किस पर?
फिर भी कहा कि हमने मध्यस्थता की।
नहीं, एक मिनट, किस पर? तो पहले तो अमेरिका इतना महान देश है और उसके राष्ट्रपति इतने महान और पावरफुल है कि वो कहते हैं सीज फायर हो जाए और आप मान लेते हैं, और फिर आप कह रहे हैं कि भारत उन पर प्रेशर बना रहा है। फिर आप ये भी कह रहे हैं कि भारत उन पर प्रेशर बना रहा है और बाकी देशों का प्रेशर जा रहा है, और इतने पावरफुल प्रेसिडेंट उस प्रेशर में दब जा रहे हैं। एक मिनट, Manish Bariyar also should come in now. Manish Bariyar, I don't understand when you have joint press briefings of the armed forces every single day, showing you proof and evidence of what has transpired during the precision strikes, when you have your MEA saying trade never came up during the discussion, when you have the Prime Minister saying ये भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच में अगर बात हुई भी तो, अगर that was the word that he used, If talks happen, it will be on terrorism and on POK. Nowhere the government officially says that America had any role to play. Despite that, if the opposition is choosing to trust Donald Trump and whatever the statements or claims are being made by Pakistan, what should one do? What should one say about the situation?
Good evening to you and good evening to all my co-panelists. See, there is only one word for opposition right now, barring...
Mr. Bariyar, can you hear me? Okay, I think we've lost that connection with Mr. Bariyar. We'll try and connect with him again. But Siddharth, if you can come in and counter.
Swati, I'll just raise one point. See the hypocrisy of the Congress party and the entire opposition. अगर प्रधानमंत्री आदमपुर बेस पर नहीं जाएंगे तो ये लोग कहेंगे कि पाकिस्तान हमारा पाकिस्तान, उसने आदमपुर बेस को उड़ा दिया। आज प्रधानमंत्री आदमपुर बेस पे खड़े होकर के देश की सेना के साथ हुंकार भर रहे हैं तो चित्रजीवी लगेंगे। दिस इज द हिपोक्रेसी। आपको पाकिस्तान का सब कुछ अच्छा लगेगा, इंडिया का सब कुछ खराब लगेगा। देश के सेना, देश का प्रधानमंत्री, देश के नेता कुछ भी करेंगे वो खराब लगेगा, बाहर का अच्छा लगेगा। इसलिए मत पट्टी पढ़ाइए। डीजीएमओ स्तर पर क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता मत पट्टी पढ़ाइए। ट्रंप ने अपना स्पष्टीकरण दे दिया, उसको सुन लिए जाके, और आपको बाहर का ही अच्छा लगेगा ना, देश का थोड़ी अच्छा लगेगा।
Manish Bariyar is back. Manish.
Yeah. In fact, there is only one word for opposition right now. It is dim-witted. They just don't understand geopolitics, and because of that, now let me tell you, if they need to be told, maybe it can happen that there was a fixed match between USA and India, where right now, initially JD Vance and Donald Trump said we have nothing to, do with this entire thing. Maybe they wanted India to really attack Pakistan, destroy it, and then they wanted to come and say, okay, Indian objective has been done, now ceasefire. Who will make them understand? India, it should be always nation first. This is the time where you do not question country's leadership and your army. I am so shocked that Akhileshji used Chitrajeevi at this time, which is so sad. I'll give you two more examples. Look at Jairam Ramesh. He talks about Shashi Tharoor, who has been at the forefront of destroying world media as well as Pakistan's narrative.
Absolutely.
And he says he speaks for himself. It's surprising that it is not Congress view, because that's a nationalistic view that is in favor of the nation. And he says that is Sashi's own view.
Second, so distance yourself from whoever is appreciative of the decision making and what has transpired, and believe whoever is speaking against. Let me bring in Piyush Joshi. Piyush Joshi, from day one, India has maintained that we are fighting a war against terrorism. This is not a war against the nation. But when the Pakistani military chose to engage, that's when we hit their military installations.
Absolutely. You can also see
let Piyush come in. Let Piyush come in. So where is this confusion? Where is the confusion coming in from? Ki udhar ke DGMO ne phone kiya to aap maan gaye?
Look, the main point is, and I think all the leaders of the opposition are questioning only the manner in which the ceasefire was announced. I don't think anyone has any questions for the Indian army. I still believe our army is a very professional unit. It's not an autocratic unit like a Pakistani army. It responds to its to the orders of its political masters, and that's how it should be, because that is the professional army that we want, that we have seen all along our lives, and we are all for the strength of our army and for the valor and pride of our army. However, having said that, if anyone has put a dent in that valor and pride of the country, it is the manner in which the ceasefire was announced. And I personally cannot understand that the Prime Minister addressed the nation 2 days or 3 days thereafter. And in all party meetings, the Prime Minister was actually conspicuously absent. So when the opposition leaders are questioning, they are questioning the Prime Minister and the government after the ceasefire has been announced. Nobody questioned, nobody questioned the Prime Minister or the army while the Operation Sindoor was still on. Also, keep in mind the questions or the comments made by Jagdish Devra, the Deputy Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, and as well as Vijay Shah.
Absolutely.
The heinous statement made by Vijay Shah, which was against Indian army. So
and he should be punished. He should be punished for that. None of these individuals, whether they belong to the BJP or any other political party, should get away with these statements. I have to wrap up, but very quickly, Manish, the opposition is questioning the government. You are making it about the armed forces. They are not questioning the armed forces. And why was the ceasefire announced in the manner it was?
See, is it to me? Swati?
Yes, Manish.
Yeah, see, let me tell you very clearly, the ceasefire was also very, very done. It was done in a manner which was in India's interest. Army said our objective was done. The government said our objectives were done. In fact, India's attack has been hailed by international experts, defense experts, as the best victory by a country ever. Without, our all our
कपिल जी, आप किस बात पे मेरे पास समय कम है, लेकिन कपिल जी मेरे पास समय बहुत कम है। कपिल जी, क्यों आप इनकार कर रहे हैं? किस बात पर आपको भरोसा नहीं है?
बीजेपी इज नॉट।
पहली चीज तो ये कि सेना ने ये नहीं कहा कि हमने सारे लक्ष्य प्राप्त कर लिए। 12 ऐसे आतंकवादियों के अड्डे और लॉन्चिंग पैड रह गए। आपने हासिल क्या किया?
हासिल क्या किया? जो नॉ टेरर हब्स को स्ट्राइक किया हमने, जो नॉ टेरर हब्स को हमने स्ट्राइक किया, वो हमने हासिल किया। इंडस वाटर्स ट्रीटी को हमने सस्पेंड कर दिया। मल्टीपल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हासिल हुए सर, मल्टीपल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हासिल हुए। उसके अलावा एक एंटी टेरर ऑपरेशन भी जम्मू कश्मीर में चल रहा है, जिसमें आतंकी मारे जा रहे हैं। फिर भी हम कह रहे हैं हमने हासिल क्या किया?
चलते रहते हैं, उसको आप ऑपरेशन नहीं कहेंगे जो पाकिस्तान के ऊपर हो रहा था। जो हम पाकिस्तान के ऊपर कर रहे थे वो ऑपरेशन एक युद्ध के समान था।
नहीं, क्योंकि उन्होंने पहले हमारे मिलिट्री इंस्टॉलेशंस को टारगेट किया। I'm really surprised that you don't understand the difference. After these multiple joint briefings from the forces as well, saying that we only wanted to hit the terror hubs, but the Pakistani military chose to engage with us. That's when we had to retaliate. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining us. Let's quickly tell you the results of the poll that we did. This is the question that we asked: is the ecosystem weakening India's war on terror? And this is the result. 79.2% people believe yes, while 20.8% people say no, they are not weakening India's war on terror. That's all we have for you in Nation Wants to Know. A quick break, lot more lined up on the other side. Stay on with us.